Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Voice, and today we are unboxing 8 new products from Riversong. So let's get started with the Riversong Alpha S. The Riversong Alpha S is a nylon braided lightning cable. The company has also used aluminum alloy to construct the cable. It comes in a 1 meter length and is compatible with iOS devices. Usually when it comes to cables, the connectors are where it gets damaged over time from use and reuse. The company offers a 1-year warranty and the Alpha S is available at a price of 20 dirhams. Next up is the Riversong Wave S. The Wave S is an all-day activity tracker. It tracks steps, distance, calories and other info in real time. You also get 1-year warranty with the device. Inside the box, you get a quick start guide that also has all the instructions to get started with the Wave S. You also get the warranty card inside the package. The company also includes 2 sets of extra wristbands in 2 different colors inside the box, which is a welcome addition. On the front, you get a nice 0.96-inch TFT color screen and a 2.5D tempered glass lens for all your notifications. The Riversong Wave S also comes with multiple sports mode. So you can now choose your mode according to your preferred outdoor activity like running, walking, swimming, skipping, football and so on. The Wave S also comes with IP67 rating. This means the Riversong Wave S is sweat-proof and splash-proof so that you can freely enjoy all outdoor activities without any worries. The Wave S is available for a price of 90 dirhams. Next device in this unboxing video is the Nemo 07 battery pack. This one is a compact power bank for iOS and Android devices. It comes with a 1-year warranty as well. Let's quickly open up the box and reveal everything that's inside. Upon opening the box, the first thing you see is the Nemo 07. The design of the device is very good and it offers a scratch-resistant design. The build quality is top-notch. On the front, you get 4 white LEDs that indicate the battery backup left in the device. In terms of charging the device, you can either charge it using a micro USB cable or a USB-C cable. By having these connectivity options, Riversong has covered most smartphone users out there on the market. You also get 2 output ports, which mean you can charge 2 devices simultaneously. And then there's a power button which also lights up the white LEDs we spoke about earlier to indicate the level of juice left in the device. The device is quite compact and easy to use. Inside the box, you also get the user guide and the warranty information. The company also bundles a micro USB cable that can be used with the device to get started. The Nemo 07 is priced at 55 dirhams. Next up is the Riversong Safari P2 car charger. This car charger costs just 20 dirhams and also comes with 1-year warranty. The Safari P2 is a simple looking car charger that gets connected to the cigarette lighter port in your car's dashboard. It comes with 2 output ports, which mean that you can charge 2 devices at the same time. What's surprising is that the package also contains a warranty card for the device that costs just 20 dirhams. This is unheard of for a product that falls in a pocket-friendly price category. The next device we are unboxing is the Riversong Air S. This one is a wireless mono earbud. This means the device offers 1 earbud for using wirelessly with your devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops and so on. Let's quickly open up the box and see what's inside. So you get the user manual and the warranty information inside the box. And then we also get the Air S earbud inside the charging case, which looks quite neat. The device weighs just 35 grams and is compatible with devices that run Android, iOS, Windows and macOS. It offers 10 hours of total playback on a single charge. Pairing it with your devices such as a smartphone is a walk in the park. Switch on Bluetooth in pairing mode, press and hold the mode button on the earbud and it will instantly establish a connection. The charging case charges through the micro USB port on the device. The Riversong Air S is priced at 65 dirhams and comes with 1-year warranty. The next device on the list is the Riversong Rhythm L. This is a pair of wireless on-ear headphones. Let's quickly unbox the device. Inside the box, you get an aux cable and a micro USB cable. There's also a user manual to get started with the headphones. The headphones come with a TF card slot which takes in a card with a maximum storage capacity of 32 GB. There is also a micro USB port for charging the headphones and a 3.5mm audio jack to connect it to your devices using an aux cable. The ear cups on the Rhythm L are quite comfortable to wear. You also get a bunch of buttons on the headphones which include the on-off, mode, volume and play and pause buttons. The headphones come with a built-in 500 mAh battery which offers up to 10 hours of wireless playback. The Riversong Rhythm L is priced at 80 dirhams and also comes with a 1-year warranty. Next device on the list is Riversong Power Clip Plus. This is a wireless charger card mount that also comes with an air vent mount. As usual, when you open up the box, you get all the accessories inside. This includes the quick start guide and the warranty card that offers 1-year warranty. You also get a USB-C cable to connect the wireless charger card mount through either a USB port in your car or through a car charger such as the Safari P2 which we saw earlier. Assembling the car mount is quite intuitive and hardly takes minutes. The height of the car mount is also adjustable, something you don't quite see on most car mounts available on the market. The Power Clip Plus is priced at 80 dirhams. And finally, we have the Riversong Stream X1 for unboxing. The Stream X1 is a pair of wireless neckband earphones that weighs just 140 grams. The device comes with a flexible cord and a premium metallic design. The earphones are also IPX4 rated, which means they are waterproof and dust proof. The earbuds are also magnetic, so you can attach the earbuds to each other and let them hang by your neck when not in use. You also get inline controls to control the music and attend or reject calls. There is also a micro USB port on the device to charge it. Inside the box, you also get a micro USB cable for charging the device, the warranty card, the quick start guide and an extra pair of ear tips. The Riversong Stream X1 is priced at 60 dirhams. So that was the unboxing of 8 different products from Riversong. If you like the video, please like it and share it. Subscribe to our channel so we keep bringing new content just for you. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos get released.